So calibration for this particular model is covering the entire hopper from about 6 to 8 inches within, so that people have got room to be feeding logs and trees and brash through it without setting the cameras off. But if somebody encroaches here, and it could be a dangerous situation, the feed automatically stops. So the system's running now, set up. As you can see, the feed rollers are running. People can work all the way around here. There's no issue whatsoever. But if their hands encroach into there, the feed automatically stops, and they have to give it a hard reset to get it going again. But people can continue to work. Normally they'll be working from here. They get too close, and the machine stops.